March 3rd, 2009. Who is that, Lainey? Be careful. Honey, be careful. Who are you jumping with? She'll stand up if she wants. Alexandra's just about 8 months. Lainey's just about 2 years old. Oh, honey.
Baby, fall down.
She falls down. You like it, don't you, Alexandra? She's trying to get up. Lainey, can you say bye-bye, camera?
Bye.
Can you blow a kiss?